Let's kick things off with the design. The 2026 Sierra 1500 features a more aggressive front-end refresh with a redesigned grille, new C-shaped LED headlights, and muscular body lines that command attention. Whether you choose the rugged AT4X or the luxurious Denali Ultimate, this truck delivers a look that says, I mean business. Plus, new wheel designs and updated taillights give it a sharper, more modern edge from every angle. Step inside and you're surrounded by first-class comfort and cutting-edge tech. The Sierra 1500's cabin now offers a 13.4-inch touchscreen with Google built-in, a 12.3-inch digital driver display, and available 16-way power-adjustable front seats with massage functions. In the Denali trims, expect real wood, leather, and aluminum finishes, while the AT4X brings rugged accents and durable materials ready for adventure. And of course, there's plenty of room for passengers, gear, and everything in between. Under the hood, the 2026 Sierra 1500 offers several powertrain options, including a 5.3-liter V8, a 6.2-liter V8 for serious towing, and the highly efficient 3.0-liter Duramax Turbo Diesel inline-6. Each engine is paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, and available 4WD with selectable drive modes gives you confidence on road and off. Whether you're towing over 13,000 pounds or climbing rocky trails, the Sierra handles it with authority. The 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 is expected to be released in the fall of 2025. Pricing will likely range from $39,545 to $87,290 depending on the trim and options. The 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 isn't just a truck, it's a statement. Premium design, serious capability, and tech that works as hard as you do. Would you go Denali, AT4X, or stick with the classic workhorse? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more in-depth truck reviews.